Hello, this is Jeff Bellinger here for another 2 Minute on Tuesday. We entered fall here. We're getting close to that open enrollment season. At least we got a good football season going on so far. But I wanted to talk to you today about the IRS releasing the forms, the 1094 and 1095 B and C forms. They did do some updates to them. They're out on the IRS website. I'll try and provide a link down below on the YouTube site for the access to those. Those are going to be the same forms that the government requires to make sure that the individual mandate is being followed. So last year there was a reprieve again. We're going out with the anticipation that there's not going to be a reprieve this year, so those forms have to be in your employees' hands by January 31st, 2019. You have until the end of February to file those forms if you're doing them manually, and you have till the end of March to submit them to the government if you're filing them electronically. Remember, the 1094s are used for smaller employers that are doing some type of self-funding, and the 95 forms are used for larger employers above 50, regardless of the type of insurance that you have. So the IRS did release those forms. We're shooting for the January 31st deadline to get those to your employees' hands. If you had Better Business Planning help you prepare those forms in the past, you're going to be getting an email within the next 2 weeks to start that process so that we could get these in the employees' hands. Otherwise, you'll get them through your normal channels, your insurance company, or if you were having your accountants or whoever prepare those forms for you, start looking for those, because as of right now it is the January 31st deadline, which will be the first time, because last year it got kicked back out again. We don't anticipate that change, but we'll see what happens. So get ready for that reporting requirement. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to answer any questions regarding the 94 and 95 forms. Otherwise, have a great week, and we'll talk to you next week. Thanks.